Hello friends, today in this video we are going to see about the techniques to remember what we have read. Lot of students read lot of things, but the problem is that they don't remember what they have read. Unless you remember what you have read, it's going to be difficult to crack any exam. So today our topic is what are the techniques to read and remember. There are three things to be kept in mind while you read anything: focus, understanding and remembering. Let us take the issue of focus. By nature, few people will be an habitual reader, or they might have a regular liking towards reading. So they may not have to put extra effort in focusing on their studies. But it may not be like that for all. So for those, there are few techniques to follow to know how to read. So we'll see one by one. Place of study. The place of study plays an important role in your reading. Your study room and study table need to be kept neat and tidy. You can arrange your books in an organized manner. If you don't arrange your books in an organized manner, you will end up wasting so much time in searching one book over the other. Also, if possible, we can put some motivational posters or informative posters like maps in the place of study. That will kindle your mood or interest towards your studies. Second important point is you must know the importance of what you are studying and why you are studying. You must have a bird's eye view of what you are studying and why you are studying. The third point is you must use some techniques like underlining or highlighting the important points or quotes, or you can use some sticky notes for note making. So that would help to keep your mind fully occupied in what you are reading. The fourth important point is you should always keep your mobile phones away from the place of reading. Let us go to the second subheading, understanding. To understand and learn new things, always have a habit of asking questions like what, why, when and how of the concepts that you read, so that it will help you to kindle your mind to have a better understanding. To know whether you have understood the concept clearly or not, you can test yourself by explaining or teaching it to the layman about what you have read. If you have succeeded in explaining it, definitely it means that you have clearly understood the concept. And this technique is scientifically called as Feynman technique. Other important point is remembering. You should always know that our brain will constantly keep forgetting old things when we accumulate or learn new things. To remember something forever, you need to constantly keep revising. You should follow the spaced repetition technique. This technique says that you need to revise something immediately after the class is over and brush up before the next class. Also, you need to revise once in a week initially and once in a month later. So by following this regularly, the retention capacity of your mind will increase. Also, learn to use the technique of adopting mnemonics. This technique means that you can associate some concept or data with the music or the story that you know already. For example, the children learn the rhymes faster because it is in the song format. We should also take care not to make your reading monotonous in nature. It is difficult to have one subject for the whole day. So care must be taken to read 2 to 3 subjects per day. We should give periodic short breaks in between long study hours. This would help to keep your brain always in the active state, and it would help you to improve your retention better. So if we follow these techniques, definitely reading, recalling and remembering would be very easier, and it would help you to successfully clear in the exams. So all the very best. Thank you.